Hi friends, today we'll be doing unboxing of Mphone 8. It's a Philippines company and most of the devices will be sold in Hong Kong and it was launched in 2016. The reason why I am making unboxing of this device, now it is selling for rupees 8500 rupees and I consider it's a good buy for this device, but keep in mind this device won't be having any warranty or anything. Use it as much as you can use. So basically this phone you may can call as a mango phone or my phone, but it's a M phone. And so let's come to the device and let's start the unboxing of this unique device. I too never seen this device. So this is the box. Basically on the front you can see it says Mphone 8. On the side there you can see the basic information of the device regarding saying that it has a 5.5-inch full HD display with 21 megapixel camera, fingerprint sensor, nothing on the top, and here also only the phone name has been mentioned. That's it. On the back, as you can see, the MRP here has been quoted as rupees 28,999 rupees. So now it's going for a sale of 8,500 rupees. So these are the quick specs of this device. It has been powered with MediaTek Helio X20 deca-core SoC, which runs on 2.3 gigahertz. So it has a Mali T80 MP2 GPU, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of inbuilt storage there is, and it's optional. If you want, you can expand it, but you have to sacrifice the second SIM. It's a hybrid SIM slot. So the rear camera here is a 21 megapixel and it's a Sony IMX sensor with dual tone LED flash, and front camera is a 8 megapixel with LED flash, and it has a battery of 2950 milliamp. It has a fingerprint sensor front mounted in a home button, and it even has a wireless charging, but there is a condition: you have to use the back case which has been provided in the phone box itself. You don't have to purchase extra for that. This phone comes with a lot of goodies in the box, so let us see what we will get in the box. Let me just try to bring the box and unbox the device. So let us come to the box now, and we will try to unbox this device. Let me just cut down this plastic over this and get into the box. There is a seal over there. So guys, if you have to purchase or want to purchase this device, it has been mentioned in Flipkart, but I don't think so it will be available. I have searched on a Flipkart. It says the price of 19,000 rupees. So I don't think so it will be available over there. Some offline agents has been selling this device without any warranty. So if you buy this device, you won't be getting any kind of a warranty. So just for the curiosity, I am just trying to unbox this device. It's a very beautiful device. So this is the device actually. Let me just keep this aside and let's come to the box, and yeah, this is the device. As you can see guys, this is IPS LCD 5.5-inch display with 8 megapixel camera and sensors with LED flash. On the back you will find the whooping, oh, it has a huge camera bump over there. It has a 21 megapixel Sony sensor with LED flash. On the right, on the left you will get a SIM slot. It's a hybrid SIM slot with some antenna lines. On the right you will get the power button, which has been it has a texture, and volume buttons. On the bottom you will get a USB type C. Wow, speaker grill and microphone, primary microphone it is. So nice to see in 2016 they have been bought the type C. On the top you will get the 3.5 mm audio jack. So Let me see in the box what else we will get over there. Yeah, yeah guys, this is the back case. If you want to use the wireless charging, then you have to use this case, then only it will be able to charge wireless. So as you can see, there are 3 pins which will connect to the device, and you will be able to use the wireless charging. And there is a huge box inside it. It's a wall adapter. Oh, too many things inside. Let me just take out everything. Yeah, as expected, you even get the wireless charging plate. This is the wireless charging plate, and the connectivity for this wireless charging plate will be the micro USB, not micro USB type C. It is a micro USB. So you have to connect that plate. Let me just see the wall adapter, the rating of it, what it's a fast charger or what it is. This is the international variant. Yeah, it has a branding of my Mphone. Let me just try to show you the rating of the wall adapter. Here it's a 5 volts 2 ampere charger. It's a just regular charger. Mostly it will take 2 hours of time to charge 100%. And this is the USB type C cable, and this should be the earphones. Nice to see it has a flat cable earphones, looks like premium. Yeah, we have to check about the quality, how well it will sound. It's a 3.5 mm headphones. Okay, so this should be the USB type B. Yeah, it's a USB cable for the charging plate. And nice. Yeah, it even has a OTG cable type C. As you can see, it has a OTG cable of type C. There are too many things inside the box. So these are the things which you will get in the box. So let me just boot up the device. So if you guys are looking to purchase this device, you will find you should have to find this device offline for rupees 8,500 rupees, which is a huge discount. So that's it guys. This is Syed, and you are watching my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thanks. Please subscribe the channel. Bye.